Scientists. Spiders use electric fields to glide through air. Scientists have long wondered how spiders can use the webbing they make to glide. The 19th century naturalist Charles Darwin commented on their behavior when very small spiders landed on his ship, the HMS Beagle. He noted that they were following lines of smooth silk. He thought the creatures might have been using warm air for them to glide to the sky. However, new research shows a totally different cause may be involved. Researchers from the University of Bristol were interested in exploring another explanation for the spider's ability. They thought spiders might sense and use electrostatic fields in the air. They told VOA, "There have been several studies looking at how air movement and wind can get spiders airborne, but the electrostatic hypothesis was never tested. But some observers suggested electrostatic fields might be the reason the many draglines some spiders use to glide never get tangled." In the research study, a box was created with a grounded metal plate on the bottom and a plate on the top. It was designed so they could send an electrical current through the box. The researchers placed spiders inside the box and turned on the electricity, then watched as the spiders reacted to the electric field. When the electric field was on, the spiders lifted their abdomens into the air and started gliding. Morley told VOA that spiders only move this way before they release silk draglines to fly away in a process called ballooning. When the spiders did balloon and glide into the air, turning off the electric current caused them to drop. Sheldon compares this to someone taking a balloon and rubbing it against their clothing. Clearly, the spiders were able to sense the local electrostatic field and react by releasing silk. But Morley and Robert wanted to know how. Morley noted that as a sensory biologist, she was interested in understanding what sensory systems spiders might use to sense electric fields. This was exactly what she observed. The small hairs along the spider's legs react not only to physical experience to glide in the air, but also to the electric field. In nature, it makes sense for spiders to use both the electrostatic field around them as well as wind conditions. Spiders probably use both when taking off and moving through the sky. A mathematician from Case Western Reserve University has made computer models of how spiders balloon, where both the electrical field and the airflow are important. However, researchers are convinced that apart from spiders, caterpillars and spider mites, which are arachnids but not spiders, balloon as well. Arachnids have 8 legs and a body made of 2 parts. Invertebrates have no backbone. The lead researchers hope more studies will follow to see if these other creatures react in much the same way as spiders.